Hello and welcome to a new video presented by Stein Investments. We'll do a short one today. I hope it will become a short one because the total trading volume is currently rising, and this is the ideal point in time where we should run an AI analysis or even analyze the market in the classical way to spot the trading opportunities for the upcoming New York session. So you can see today's London session was mainly driven by trade close operations from the retail trader side. There have been almost no stable trends. The New Zealand dollar recovered from its weakness during the Asian session, and the Swiss franc had the most drastic change here, which dropped completely to the downside, and the Japanese yen is currently following. Some of our viewers already know that some of these currencies are correlated. The US dollar and the Canadian dollar is one example for such a correlated currency pair, and the other one is the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. And so I expect the Japanese yen to follow the Swiss franc further to the downside. And this is pretty much the same as our AI already recommended to trade today. And we did two different analyses here. One was a single file CSV analysis here, which is already fairly in profit with 3 trades. And we did another time-lapse analysis, which seemed to have already one trade closed because there have been 4. Yes, the first one already reached its profit target. There is a second one. So you see the profits are coming in and the other ones are fairly in profit. You will notice that I'm still around my initial deposit because I experimented with a completely new AI prompt coded by ChatGPT yesterday, and the outcome was a complete disaster. So I dropped this experiment pretty quickly, but that's what they are for. We need to see if they work out or not. And in this case, it didn't. And so in today's trading, we stick to our standard AI prompts we provide by default with EasyInsight, our most popular tool these days, with a growing community of over 70 members right now that are active in our chat, and the collaboration between these guys is just amazing, and the outcome is simply outstanding. I'm really amazed, and especially because we get more and more traders that trade the Asian session and they win and profit as well. And that was always kind of a black box for us because the Asian session is during my night times. I don't trade that, and so we never knew if it will work during the Asian session as well. And this is now perfectly confirmed by our users, and so we are very happy about this result because it once more proves that EasyInsight and the way we use the new technologies is the way to go for every trader, no matter where you are living. So if you are interested in this new approach of how to analyze the market in just a few seconds with the AI, then I can only recommend having a look at our Welcome at Stein Investment page. You will find the URL here, and it's also linked under all of our YouTube videos, and you'll find our trading strategies as well as the new AI powered utilities, which is EasyInsight and EasyInsight AIO. And there are our indicators that build the solid fundament for this amazing technology, because the AI is just as good as the data we provide, and our tools are simply exceptional and extremely precise. And especially FX volume is something no one else has to provide, because we are the only ones that provide volume analysis based on real trading volume, not tick volume as everyone else. That said, we'll close this video with a short insight into our current development, because EasyInsight will become a lot better. And the first step has been done by Alain, and the extension or inclusion of further asset classes here in FX Dynamics. So he built a framework that covers all the asset classes and the different name conventions here from the brokers. Here, this is just an example here from IC Markets, but these symbol names are non-standard. Most of them are, but as soon as you leave the Forex market, symbol names can become pretty weird with suffixes and not, etc., etc. And we are currently dealing with several different brokers to provide you a solid and reliable solution, no matter which broker you're using. And this inclusion here is the first massive step in the right direction, and we'll integrate this new capability of analyzing cryptocurrencies, indexes, etc., etc., into FX levels as well. Then IX Power will follow, and all of that will then be available with the next version of EasyInsight. So stay tuned. We are working on the next amazing features for our wonderful customers, and if you are none of them yet, I can only encourage you to visit our central Stein Investments page, have a closer look at what we have to provide, get the tools you need, and start trading professional. That said, I wish you a great and profitable day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you and bye bye.